a proof of the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is a tool which gives you values of x in any second degree polynomial equation. It's a very famous formula which you have probably learned first time in high school. And I'm going to show you that this quadratic formula is actually the same as a general quadratic equation in its basic form, in which 0 is on the right side of the equation. And let's begin. Let us begin multiplying the whole equation with 2 times a, and so we get rid of the denominator. And after that I want to get rid of this b minus, and so I want to add plus b to the both sides of the equation. So minus b repeals plus b, but however we have to add this plus b on the left side of the equation. And next I have a situation that I want this square root away. And how I can get rid of this square root? I take power of 2. So an exponent of 2 repeals this square root, because power of 2 is a counter function of square root. That's why they repeal each others. And the second note is that we have here the exponentation of a sum with two numbers with 2. So this is one of the famous polynomial formulas, and we want to get rid of these brackets and open up this exponentation. And we used binomial formula of the sum of two numbers, and we get an expansion with which we got rid of these brackets. And just to simplify this statement, after the arrow, we get this a little bit clearer. So there is something extra which we want to subtract from the equation, and it's b to 2. And just to subtract this term b to power of 2, we can get an equation with each term includes this 4 times a. And here we have a cornerstone ahead, because if we divide the whole equation with this 4 times a, we can get much cleaner this equation. And so here we can drop one extra a and this 4, and here 4 times a, and as well as here 4 times a. So we are closer now, and the only thing to do is to add the constant c to both sides of the equation, and we can remove the constant c to left side of the equation. And here we have the desired equation. So this is the general quadratic equation, and that's about its proving.